Incredible. I actually saw that in person about a decade ago.
Really?
And it was amazing. It's like a whole nother world. But here, we're experiencing our own version of a whole nother world. Yesterday, temperatures really topping out in the 20s for most of the metro area. And look at this warm up. This is the difference in the temperatures yesterday at this time to today at this time. We're 31 degrees warmer now than we were yesterday at this time. The same for all of the eastern plains. A huge warm up for the eastern portion of Colorado thanks to downsloping winds. And what happens is when the winds are coming in out of the west down the mountains, they compress, they heat up. It gets very windy here across the Front Range, but it takes those temperatures and makes them skyrocket, which is how we go from 20s to 60s here across the Front Range. So a little bit windy, but it's because these winds are coming down and really warming us up to help get the frost and the ice out of here, which we had in place for the last couple of days. Now, more sun statewide. This is going to be the case into the next 24 to 48 hours. The warm weather is going to stick around, and then snow is going to show up into Monday afternoon, Tuesday, and even Wednesday into the mountains. On the satellite radar picture here, you see how quiet it is across the state. We're nice and clear here for the Front Range and the plains. Our temperatures tonight will technically be in the 20s for overnight lows, but once we get to around midnight, we'll drop those temperatures into the 30s, and then tomorrow back up in the 50s once again with sunshine and just a few high clouds, but high pressure is in control for right now. So that just means that nice mild weather is going to stick around. Now into tonight, it looks very quiet across the state, partly cloudy skies for most everybody. And then into tomorrow morning and afternoon, we'll see some cloudiness come in through the western portion of Colorado, but it's Monday when we start to see the snow develop here. So we'll first see one small batch of snow and then a bigger batch into Tuesday and Wednesday, which is why we have a winter storm watch from Monday through Wednesday, between 8 to 16 to 12 to 24 inches of snowfall. And this winter storm watch, as we get closer to that time frame, will more than likely be upgraded to a winter storm warning. So in through Monday night, we'll have about 4 to 6 inches of snow to start. And then once we roll through Tuesday, this will be by early Wednesday morning, we'll add another foot and a half, especially around Aspen and Gunnison and even into Eagle, 15.5 inches of snowfall there. But tonight, it'll be 29, clear skies, breezy conditions, and we'll have those temperatures mostly in the 20s and 30s here across the plains, teens and 20s for the mountains, and 30s around Grand Junction for you folks on the western slope. 57 degrees tomorrow with high clouds. We'll have temperatures staying in the 50s here for the Front Range tomorrow afternoon, 40s up into the foothills, and for the western slope, 50s for you tomorrow afternoon. Now on the 7-day forecast, we'll stay in the 50s the next couple of days, 59 by Monday with that mountain snow. Then we'll cool it off a little on Tuesday, but by the time we get into Thursday and Friday, we're going to be back in the 60s again. Slight chance for rain Saturday with highs in the mid-50s, Molly.